What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have my mate Mitch's 2016 Mark 7 golfr, and we're going to be doing a flow design lip kit install. So we've got a front lip, side skirts, rear spats and rear valance. So I'll take you for a walk around, show you what it is, and then we're just going to jump straight into it. So here's the front lip that's going to be going on. Obviously 2 side skirts, rear spat, and the valance for the back. So let's jump in. Okay guys, so to get the bumper off, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You got to have 3 clips. You're going to have your little washer squirters, which we're pouring water everywhere, but that's fine. And you've got 1 indicator plug, which is convenient. So that's just your plug for all your wiring, which is great. You just got to take your grill off as well, which is just 1, 2, and some push clips. All right guys, so with the front splitter, what you're gonna do, once the front bumper's off, there's 2 brackets you're gonna have to mount up. I'll show you those in a moment. They connect to here, 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 and here. But you'll have to flip your bumper upside down, and you want to drill this hole and this hole, and the same on the other side. Then you bolt that to the front bumper, put in your guide holes, put the bumper back on, and actually bolt it to those brackets. The brackets are the things that are going to give you the main stability. So these are your brackets here. Now it comes with an actual ply template that you stick to the bottom of this with double-sided tape, drill 6 holes and 6 holes, and then you bolt these in. That's the strength. So then once you've got your kit loosely fitted to the actual front bumper, you put the bumper back on with the holes drilled in, then you can bolt it into these securely. Alright guys, so with the side skirts, it actually says in the instructions to take the side skirt off. Now these had double-sided tape on them, so we didn't want to remove them and then have to peel the double-sided tape off and put it back on. But there is enough play in the underside of the skirt to be able to actually peel it down. So what we've done is we've put the skirt up, marked all the holes, drilled them all, and then actually just peeled the back of the plastic down. Now, do this at your own risk, because if you break your skirt, it's not my fault, but it can save you a lot of time. It is very fiddly, but can save a bit of time. Now, in the back for the rear spats, here, you actually have, this bolt is the factory bolt. You just take off the little retaining clip and it goes straight in, and then you can line up this piece, mark out these 2 and drill them. All right guys, so on the rear valance, this is your center piece. So you've got a piece that you bolt to the bottom and a piece that goes on top. Now to line it up, you just get this straight underneath, line it up in the middle, and then drill 4 holes into this plastic piece, open them up to the right size and bolt it in. All right guys, so that's the job done. In a bit of a summary for you, front bumper, 4 screws either side, take the grill out, which is 2 screws, 2 screws in the top of the bumper, and then take off the under tray, which is probably about 20 screws, and you can pull it out. 3 pull clips on the side and a couple in the front. You can pull it out. Be gentle. Probably try and get a mate to help you with that. If not, you probably want a few stands. But once you get that off, upside down, a couple of holes for your initial mounting holes, put your brackets on the crossbar, drill your holes for the front part that goes into the crossbar, and then off you go. Side skirts, take those off, just a couple of screws, and then you have to pull it against the double-sided tape. If you don't want to do that, you do have the area underneath to install the side skirts without doing that. And the rear spats, the back hole is your factory mounting hole. You'll see where the carpet is mounted there. And then the other 2, you just line it up, drill and put your nuts and bolts in. And the rear valance, super easy, bolt it all together. You put the bottom piece on last. So there's 4 holes you got to line up and drill out and then bolt in, and then you put your final piece on underneath. It's quite an easy install, definitely doable at home. If you've got a friend or 2 friends to help you like I did today, much easier. We did it, so we've never done it before, and we did it in 4 hours, and perfect job. Everything's lined up exactly how we want. Use all the bolts, none of this dodgy stuff where you just put tech screws in or things like that. Really good job. The flow design parts are really top quality. We actually had one of my other mates come up today who had the V2 kit, so this was the V3 kit on his Mark 7, which looks incredible as well. So we had a bit of a reference point, but we didn't really need it, but it was nice to see one with a kit already installed. He's had his for a few years and it's still going strong. It looks amazing. I'm actually going to try and do a little feature video on his car next time I'm back in Perth, so you guys can see that one. So I hope that helped a bunch of you, as I hope all my videos help you. Please like, please subscribe, share this with your friends, and yeah, try save yourself a little bit of money and maybe install your lip kits yourself. All right guys, well, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.